It's Mitch Mass here, coming with the second part of the Howqua New Year's Eve ride. So I hope you're enjoying. Hope you enjoyed the previous video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, leave comments about suggestions. Especially coming up with my new series, the Rate My Ride series. Some suggestions for both dirt and road rides, and for dirt, some suggestions for criteria, because I'm not going to record the audio for leftover film footage of this trip until I've got some suggestions for that. Alright, let's get back to it.
As you can tell, I'm not super good at going downhill, but I'm getting better. Just requires a little bit of practice. I can actually fly through that on a push bike faster than I can on a dirt bike. Or that style of descent anyway. Just because push bike's a lot lighter. Part of it's confidence, but... Oh, what the hell is he taking us on? Too bad. Probably gets worse though. That's fucking McDonald's, what the fuck? That shits me to all ends. People throwing rubbish out in this beautiful, beautiful area. Fuck, I'll tell you what, coming into Bonnie Doon yesterday, I almost cracked the absolute shits. And I know it's tourist because I lived in the area for 3 years, and the only time it got dirty like that was during tourist season. So summer and winter, so well, ski season and water ski season slash camping season. Just people leaving all this shit everywhere for animals to choke on. All that shit, just completely unnecessary. I guess it does sound a bit hypocritical for someone that rides dirt bike, but like, Minimise your impact where you can. And that's one really easy way everyone can fucking minimise their impact. Recycle, take your rubbish with you, and just don't be a dick. I was gonna use a four-letter word. Probably would get this video taken off YouTube, but I restrained myself, luckily. As you can tell, I'm slowly improving on the descents, but still kind of just cruising through. So now we're at Tobacco Flat. Interesting name for a thing. That sign says it all, please take your rubbish home. Where's Nathan going? Alright, so we're heading sort of towards... Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm just gonna go around that. Whew. Oh, someone's built a little dam. Quaint little place for sale just here. So we're out on Steiner's Road now. I think we've gotten past all the really hard bits. Just going to give Nathan a bit bigger berth just because of all the dust. I'm working up an absolute sweat. But it's been a great ride so far. Some nice climbs, nice descents even though I'm not a big fan. There's obviously going to be some more because we're well above where we parked the car. Like I said before, Zach went back to the car because he was feeling a bit under the weather because his helmet was too tight. It's just been me and Nathan for a while. Seen a couple of four-wheel drives as you would see in the footage. You know, it's been good fun. I'm having an absolute ball. It is getting a bit hot because it's starting to get a bit late in the afternoon. Looks like 2 o'clock I think. Yeah, hope you're enjoying. So like I said in my Rate My Ride Road series, I will be doing a Rate My Road or Rate My Region sort of series for dirt bikes as well. Once I get an adventure bike, I'll be doing like a sort of an adventure on the same lines, an adventure series, which will sort of cross between both the series. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I'm going to be trying to put out some more dirt bike content when I can. Just dirt biking, just because my experience level, I don't get out by myself too much. Yeah, so I'll probably, any of the footage that I don't use in this video will be going to the Rate My Ride dirt series for this area. But I'll just sort of commentate over it rather than you know, use any of the footage I talked about because I still need to decide on the criteria for it. If you have any suggestions for the criteria, please put it in the comments. Although I'll have probably uploaded this before that comes through anyway, so I'm kind of gonna ask Nathan if he was to, you know, rate a thing, what sort of things would he look at. This one I'm really gonna focus on the beginner, intermediate, advanced part of it, because in roads you can adjust the difficulty by just saying to your beginner ones, hey, just take your time. Obviously they won't have as much fun as they would maybe on some easier roads, but you can easily account for difficulty on the road, while in the dirt, not as much. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you next time in my next video.